Hello everyone. Thank you so much for coming out today, for giving us time. This Nritya Shakti calendar has been very, very close to me. We have worked very hard to put this together. We have worked for months, days, nights, and it wouldn't have been possible without my sisters and your support. Thank you so much for coming out tonight. And one person who I really want to thank is my sister Neeti, who is the eldest of the lot. Please come on stage. She has not only been my sister, she is like my godmother. The reason that I'm dancing today is her. All the battles that a girl has to fight to convince everybody that I want to dance, I want to do this, is all because of her. She has been an iron lady for me, and she'll always be. For every little thing, they are there for me. I also want to invite Mukti on stage, who I keep yelling at all the time. She's one person who I can throw tantrums on. So Mukti Mohan, please come on stage. I think she, okay. Hello, welcome. Do you want to say something, ma'am? Did I do well?
I just can't believe, I really want to thank God right now that three of us are finally doing something together. This was my dream और ये करना मेरे को बचपन से ही this was like a big dream for me, and to see this happening and to have Sitara Devi ji here and to have Bade Papa, Mom, Dad, family, friends and everyone here together, I just can't believe this moment.
Back to the host. This is what's scary. जब मेरे हाथ में mic आता है. Apart from singing, मुझे mic पकड़ना बिल्कुल नहीं अच्छा लगता है. Really.
So sing now. You had 2 big songs this year. Let's hear GRA from her. I really want to hear GRA.
I don't have any music, but I can just sing 2 lines.
Come on.
We'll clap.
हर्षदीप उठा मैं. चली रे जुनू खोलिए कतरा कतरा लम्हों को पिए पिंजरे से उड़ा दिल का शिकरा खुदी से मैंने इश्क किया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया हो जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया हो Thank you.
Okay, Niti, Shakti's Mohan calendar launch, you hosted a show, but how do you feel?
Feels great that Nritya Shakti 2013 is out today, and I think we have worked very hard on this calendar, and Shakti it's her passion to do this calendar every year, and I think people love it. All her fans support this calendar a lot, so I want to thank all her fans. I want to thank all the people who worked on this calendar and making this a success. Thank you.
Mohan sisters are like very talented. One is the singer, one is the dancer, and another she's best at her, acting skills and all. So, what do you want to say?
I think we really want to thank our parents for letting us follow our dream. And I am a singer, and Shakti has followed her dream to be a dancer. Mukti is, is an actress. So we are really thankful that we have very supportive parents, and they inspire us to work very hard. And yeah, I think we all love our profession. I think when you make your hobby your profession, you're very lucky.
And as Shakti inspired you by this calendar, like you would like to explore your singing talent in something like this?
I write my songs, and my father helps me write songs, and we all help each other. Like Shakti helps me with ideas when I'm writing a song or when I'm doing a video, and we all get together as sisters, as family, and as creatives separately. We try to help each other and do really well in whatever they are doing.
Talking about all the poses she has posed, like God, which one is your personal favorite?
My personal favorite from the calendar is Durga. I think it brings the Indian culture so much, and there is this aggression in it, but the woman is in a sari, and there is sindoor, and you see, I think it's beautiful. You see Nari Shakti, and you see that women are very powerful, and it's your own, you're wearing a sari, your Indian costume. So with that, when I see a powerful woman and powerful pose, So that has been my favorite, but I like all. I like the calendar a lot.
And Ritika, Shakti on the calendar launch में. So what do you want to say? Have you had the look on the calendar?
Yes, I have, and मैंने जानबूझ के अभी तक कैलेंडर की कोई पिक्चर नहीं देखी थी. I had told मुक्ति शक्ति everybody that I don't want to see anything. मुझे सीधा लॉन्च पे देखनी है, and I'm so glad because आज जो मेरा रिएक्शन था to see all the pictures together, जो जिस तरह से कंपाइल की गई हैं, जो एडिट की गई हैं, जो ब्यूटीफुल पोजेस हैं शक्ति के, the looks, I think it's perfect. मैंने इतना ब्यूटीफुल डांस कैलेंडर on a contemporary Indian, you know, I mean it's based on gods but it's still so contemporary. ऐसा कुछ मैंने पहले कभी नहीं देखा है.
शक्ति को देख के आप कितना इंस्पायर हो?
शक्ति को देख के हम सब बहुत इंस्पायर होते हैं. शक्ति इज़ मुक्ति's elder sister, you know, so मुक्ति इज़ अ वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड एंड हम सब की बड़ी बहन जैसी है शक्ति. वो तो बड़ी नहीं लगती है बट शक्ति इज़ अ वेरी पावरफुल गर्ल. आई मीन एवरीथिंग शी डज, जो भी उसने आज तक किया है वो पाथ ब्रेकिंग ही किया है. वो एक इंस्टेड ऑफ लीडिंग अ कंफर्टेबल लाइफ ऑफ एन आर्टिस्ट, शी हैज़ एक्चुअली गॉन एंड पुश द बाउंड्रीज. और जो भी उसने किया है वो हमेशा से रेवोल्यूशनरी रहा है. सो हैट्स ऑफ टू हर एंड वेरी वेरी इंस्पायरिंग.
Since you have gone through the pictures right now,
Yes.
so which picture you love the most?
It's very difficult to choose one actually for me because they're all very enchanting. जिसके सामने आप जाके खड़े होते हैं, you feel like, you know, this is really pretty. But yes, I also like, I think ये unanimous है, सबको ही, everybody likes the Durga a lot. So this is really really beautiful. But it doesn't take away from any of the other pictures. They're all brilliant.
Would you like to do something like this?
I don't know. See, I am not a dancer like Shakti, so I don't think I can do something like this. But yes, it gives us ideas. It gives everybody. I mean, yeah, it gives us all some ideas. So we might be able to do something like this sometime in life. Not maybe not dance and calendar, but mixing something else.
And what message you want to give to Shakti?
I just want to say congratulations, a big congratulations to all three of them, Neeti, Ri, Shakti and Mukti, because they've all worked very hard on this. Of course, Shakti is the face of the calendar and she's beautiful with what she does. Congratulations to her. Then there's a video that they have launched that जो मुक्ति ने लिखा है, नीति दीदी ने गाया है, रिसाइट किया है और शक्ति ने परफॉर्म किया है, which will be on YouTube very soon. So I am dying to watch that as well and I am dying to take my copy of the calendar. You want one? I won't give you.